here from Flex and Flow Yoga, and today we're going to break down ganda bherundasana or Chinstand with the use of some props. So if you have 2 blocks available or big pillows or even 2 bolsters, that would probably be best. You could even try maybe some rolled up mats. And yeah, let's break it down. So to start, we're gonna put our blocks about shoulders width, okay, on your mat. So once you have your blocks down on your mat about shoulders width, take your palms and place them just behind your blocks into a tabletop position. And then start to tuck your toes, lift your knees off the mat and find downward facing dog. So what we want for Chinstand is a slightly tighter downward facing dog. So maybe walk your feet in a couple inches, maybe a little closer than you might normally. And the reason for this is this will give your hips some natural and easy height to start with, which is what we want. Once you have this position, start to take your gaze forward and then come up onto the balls of the feet. And then start to roll your shoulders down towards the mat. Touch your chin down. Keep your hips nice and high. Lift back up to your downward facing and press back. Do that 2 more times. So feel that shifting forward of your weight and then bend the elbows in towards your sides. Tap the shoulders down, tap the chin and lift back up, press into your dog. Woo, breathe in, breathe out, come forward, lower down. And then lift up and press back. Okay, shake it out for a moment, and we're gonna come back into that. And this time we're going to explore that same movement, but we're gonna lift one leg to the sky and jump switch the feet and also prepare to kick up into a full chin stand. Okay, so same thing, our blocks are shoulder width. We're gonna start in tabletop, fingertips directly behind our blocks. Hug the low belly in to start, and then start to tuck your toes, lift your knees, and find downward facing. Once you're here, root down through one leg and lift the other foot up. Find your 3-legged dog. Now, same as before, come onto the ball of the back foot, shift the weight gently forward so your shoulders are coming maybe just past your fingertips. And then lower the shoulders towards your blocks, bending the elbows in towards your sides. And then from here, you can just simply jump switch the feet. This is great practice. Or start to lift your top leg up, a little softness into your bottom leg, press into your palms, and kick up, zipping the inner thighs together. And then coming down, a great place for an upward facing dog. And child's pose if you'd like. Okay, so once you have that, you can work those drills. I like coming from downward facing into that push-up variation where we keep our hips slightly hiked and then press back up to the part where you start to lift a leg, slide forward, keep pressing into the palms, squeeze the elbows in towards your sides, lowering the chin, and then maybe jump switching the feet or starting to kick the bottom foot up to meet the top. When you kick the feet up, remember you have to squeeze the thighs together because your belly and legs have to work together and be strong in order to stay lifted. I'm going to show you one more time, lifting one leg and coming into chin stand, and then show you how you can also add a little depth if you would like. Okay, so same setup as before, shoulder width with your blocks, palms behind your blocks, fingertips pointing forward, find tabletop pose. From your tabletop, tuck your toes, lift your knees, downward facing dog. Shorten the stance a little bit, and then pick one leg up to the sky. Slide forward, find that ball of your grounded foot, bend your elbows in towards your sides, lower your shoulders and your chin, and then hike the back foot in until you're ready to lift up, zip the legs up. Once you get up to the sky, you can bend your knees and maybe pick the chin up and see if you can touch the back of the head towards the feet. And then once again, exiting, finding your upward facing and downward facing dog. Taking a knee when you're ready, releasing down. Okay, great work yogis. Thanks for tuning in to my ganda bherundasana or chin stand tutorial today. You guys did awesome. If you have any comments, feedback, questions, please let me know. I'm Jamie King, and I'm at Flex and Flow. Also follow along because I'm going to have 2 more tutorials for Chinstand. One where we'll work on getting into it without blocks or props, and then the third will be how to incorporate it into your vinyasa and drills that you can take to start getting your practice to that place. Okay, thank you guys so much for being here. Namaste.